I'm the middleman. Walk talking like a boss, I just lift a hand. 3 million cash, call me Rain Man. Money like a shower, that's my rain dance. And we all in black, like it's gangland. Say the wrong words, you be hangman. Why me stick to your bitch like a spray tan? Mister, what kind of car you in the city, love my name, nigga, I ain't gotta say it. Taste, taste. She can get a taste. Taste, taste. She can get a taste.
It's Babe, back again with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I do my top bun, because everybody been asking me and like asking how I do my edges, my hair, you know, so I just decided to show y'all. Alright, so I always have a towel on. I don't know why, I just do, because like if the gel falls, like it just won't fall on the floor. Alright, so today I'm gonna be using a comb. Like, you gotta clear out the hair, because if you don't clear out your hair, like, it's gonna look nappy. So then I use Eco, because it slicks down my hair, and I don't know about for anybody else, but it does my hair justice. And I'm gonna be using a brush, a rat tail comb, and a toothbrush for your edges. Make sure it's not a toothbrush that you use on your teeth, because that'll be nasty and dirty. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so first thing you want to do is like clear out your hair. Even though mine is like already mostly cleared out, you know, because I already looked at it earlier. Clear it out, right? So I put gel in my hair actually. Now I rub it together and I put gel in my hair. See, I just have that gel. Wave spinning, like, come on, stop it. Alright. And then I also put gel in the back of my hair, but I don't put a lot because, you know, I have a lot of hair, so most of it like stays up. So like, I put it in the back too. And then, so next thing I do is I actually brush up. So I don't like, I have to like smooth it down while I brush. And like it just like smooth kind of. And then I do the back also. And then I actually take my scrunchie, my comb fell, and yeah, I take my scrunchie and I just put this all up in both of my hands. Like this. Alright, now I have my scrunchies on my wrist actually, and then I just keep brushing. Now, if it needs more Eco Styler gel, I will put, but I don't recommend putting too much gel in your hair, because when you put too much gel, like kinda gets too like hard. It depends on how your hair is. Okay, so I just gotta make sure there's no bumps in my hair too. So I go like this. Everything is just dropping right now. So then I like this to make sure nothing falls. I do my scrunchie as tight as I can. This. See, look how tight that is. My veins are gonna be popping. So, like this tight thing. It's hard having a lot of hair, you know. These scrunchies be popping, but I hope they don't right now. So, see this? Crazy. Then, right now, I actually put mine like in a bun first. So when I put mine in a bun, I go like this. I don't use bobby pins, but you can also use bobby pins and like pin it. So I take like pieces of hair and just like wrap it like this. Alright, so then like as I was wrapping, I'm gonna continue to wrap it around. This is like what I do, like just to like make it good. Okay? So now I'm just keep wrapping and keep wrapping. I don't like my bun small, to be honest. If my bun is small, I'm sorry, I don't do those. We don't do those around here. So I just keep wrapping and get some good pieces of it. See? Keep wrapping. I like my buns like this though. So this way. So like, you know, maybe that kind of. So I have that, and when I have that, my bun, I just like, see, I have my buns like that. I also take this, dip the toothbrush in the gel actually, and like, see any flyers like over here, I do like this. I just kind of like push it up, you know, just so like it won't like be all extra. As you can tell, like that. Boom. So then, for my edges, I actually use the comb to like just separate, kind of. It just like depends on how you feel. Okay. I don't separate it a lot because, like, you know, I really like that. Then I take my finger, because, you know, my finger's smaller than the toothbrush. I take it on this part right here. And when I do that part, it's like I swoop it. I don't keep it like fully straight. I swoop it like this. And I actually put a lot of gel because my hair is like really thick. So I put a lot of gel. So like this, I put OD gel. Like, I don't know why. But, you know, like this, right? Then like just brush it up, you know. That's just the top part right now. Then I add it to this side. And I do the bottom one actually. Okay. So I just like to keep going over it just in case. Like if it like look crazy. Right? Doesn't look poofy or anything right now. It's like that. It's like that. See, it don't look too bad right now. It's just like my hair kind of looks dry because like lighting and stuff, but yeah. And then I'm gonna go like this. Same exact thing with the side. I just put down and swoop it. That's literally all I do. Swoop it into my hair. Like this, right? Then I put more gel on it because, you know, most of it is another piece. So I just bend that and I just swoop it again. So actually, like, I take more hair off the side over here so I can actually swoop it better. Like this. I gotta put a lot of gel because my hair do not stain, so then just brush it up. So similar to like that, you know. And like when I do it, I have to make sure like everything is like perfect. So just keep going over it until like you feel like it's good and like it's decent for you. So, like, put more gel on that part. So I'm gonna go over it again, like I said. like right, so something like that. I just like to keep going over it just in case, you know. Okay, then for me, you know, I got sideburns, so I just like do this to my hair. Actually, I just like swoop the sides a little bit, not like OD though. I'm putting a little bit more gel. Everything in this process is just gel, you know, because I have a lot of hair, so most of the time it doesn't stay down, so it takes a while to like get this done and over with. Okay, so like that. Boom. Most of this done. So it gets like poofy, so I gotta keep putting more gel. And after this whole thing, I actually like to put on a scarf. Okay, there we go. Good. So I actually like to put on a scarf just so I can like lay it down, you know. So yeah, I like to put that on. Okay, so I'm gonna go get my scarf. Okay, so I have a scarf. I like to just like put it on like this. I like to tie it in the back because like I don't want it to be like super duper tight. So I just leave it there for a while. So yeah, I just leave it for how long should I leave it? I just leave it for 5 minutes and I'll alright, so I'm back and I'm about to just take this scarf off because it's kind of tight. But don't put it too tight because your head gonna be hurting. So I put the scarf on, and this is the final product. I mean, I kind of rushed this, but you know, it doesn't look bad, as you can tell. So yeah, I hope you liked the video.
Show the back of your head.
Enjoy, and yeah.